everyone. I hope that you all will stay home, stay safe, and follow the rules and regulation made by government due to the pandemic of coronavirus disease. Myself Jayashree Parmar, and today we will discuss about the most important topic in a community health nursing is a back technique. So before starting the back technique topic, I want to clarify your doubt regarding the home visiting, because the home visiting and the back technique both are the parallel topic in a community health nursing. So first, what do you mean by the home visiting? Home visiting is a process of door to door step visiting, or we can say that it is home to home visiting. Home visit is a family nurse contact which allow the health worker to assess the home and family situation in order to provide the necessary nursing care and render the health related activities. We can say that it is the professional contact between the nurse and the family. Now we can move to the back technique. So what do you mean by the back technique, and what are the definition of the back technique or the community back? Community back or the back technique, it is the tool by which the nurse during her visit will enable her to perform nursing procedure with ease and save the time and effort. We can say that it is a tool through which the nurse will perform their procedure, and also it will help to save the time and effort of the nurse to perform or rendering the effective nursing care to the clients. It's called the community back or the back techniques. So here are two most important things are nursing procedure and also to save the time and effort. Next, we can move to the purpose of the back technique. So the first one is the bag is needed during the each home, school or industrial visit. We can say that during the any visit like the home, school and industrial visit, we require the bag because it contains the equipment and articles which are needed to assess the school children, the family members which are at a home, and the industrial workers which are at the industry. Now next one is to bag is needed for the inspection of the client like the TPR. We can say that bag is required for inspection of the client or the family member. Also we can say that it is required for the inspection of the normal functioning of the body like the temperature, pulse and respiration, and also we can say that the blood pressure. So we can say that the bag containing the thermometer which measure the temperature. Also bag have the sphygmomanometer which can be measure the blood pressure. Next we can move to the for performing the certain procedure like the urine analysis, antenatal assessment, etc. We can say that bag have the equipment and the articles which are required for performing and demonstrating the certain procedure like the urine analysis, antenatal assessment, TPR, BP measurement, anthropometric measurement, health assessment. So these all are the procedure which can be done by using the bag because it contains the certain amount of the articles and equipment. There are the another principles like as to prevent the spread of the infection from one person to another and from one place to another by keeping the bag and its content clean as possible. So it is another purpose of the bag technique, and to demonstrate the principle of cleanliness to the patient and the family member by using the bag. So these all are the purpose of the bag technique. Now we can say that the bag or community bag have a different compartment. It has the outside compartment, middle compartment, lower compartment. We can say that according to the educational institution, Each educational institution have a different community bag. Different community bag have a different compartment. Some community bag have a 2 compartments. Some community bag have a 3 compartments. So it's depend on the educational institution. First one, the outside pocket, or we can say that the outside compartment. It contains the towel, soap with the soap dish and newspaper. Now the inside the bag mean inside compartment, or we can say that it is a sterile compartment. It contains a cotton or plastic bag with the cotton soap, bandages and small dressing packets. It also contains the instrument and equipment like the one artery forceps, 2 dissecting forceps, 1 scissor, 1 eyedropper, 1 solution bowl, 1 plastic kidney basin, 1 oral thermometer and 1 rectal thermometer. So middle compartment of the community bag also have the solution and the drugs. I want to say that if the community bag have 3 compartments like as outer compartment, middle compartment and lower compartment. If it has the lower compartment, so the lower compartment contains the all solution and the drugs, but it has only the 2 compartments, so the middle compartments contain the solution and the drugs. So it has the plastic bottle with the spirit, bottle of Dettol, also it has the bottle of Savlon, eye ointment and the medication like as the paracetamol, diclofenac sodium, metronidazole, etc. And it also contains some another things like as the urine analysis kit. Urine analysis kit have the test tube holder, test tube stand, Benedict solution, spirit lamp and the specimen bottle and the dropper. So it's all are in the urine analysis kit. Inches tape means the measuring tape, plastic bag, rectal tube or the funnel, syringe and needle. It may be the 5 ml syringe, 10 ml syringe, glass slide. It can be used for the malarial parasite test and the fetoscope. So these all are included in a middle compartment. Now next we can move to the principle for using the bag technique. So first principle is to prevention of the contamination. We can say that firstly we have to put the newspaper and then over the newspaper we have to put the community bag. So it will help to prevent the contamination of the bag and also it will help from the prevention from the dust and also the rodents. Now our next principle is to protection of the caregiver means those who provide the care to the client, so we have to protect them. For that the community bag contain the apron and also the gloves for the protection of the caregiver. Now the make the articles readily accessible. We can say is that whenever we are performing the any type of the procedure, so all the articles are keep readily available, so it will help to perform the procedure or any demonstration are easily and smoothly. And last principle is to make the follow-up care. Whenever we provide the care to the client in a community, so after the finishing the care you have to follow up the care after the sometimes. So these are the main 4 principle of bag technique are the prevention of the contamination, protection of the caregiver, make the article readily accessible and make the follow-up care. Now next we can move to the steps or procedure of the bag technique. So first step is to select the area of the work. We can say is that whenever you have to perform your procedure, so you have to select the area where you have to perform your procedure, like as in a school, in a community area or in a family or in an industrial area. So you have to select your area of the work. Next, after the selection of the area of the work, you have to spread the newspaper. Means once you select your area of or your work or demonstration of the procedure, you have to spread the newspaper, and after the spreading the newspaper, you have to put your bag or community bag on the newspaper. Then after the placing your community bag on the newspaper, then remove the hand washing material. In our hand washing material, it includes the soap with the soap dish and small hand towel. Then after the removing the hand washing material, then wash your hand thoroughly. Then after the washing your hand, remove the apron from the bag and put it on. So you have to remove the apron from the community bag and wear the apron. Then remove the needed equipment. After the wearing the apron, you have to remove all the needed articles or equipment as per your procedure. And after the removing the needed equipments and the articles, you have to close the bags. Then you have to perform your whole procedure or demonstrate your whole procedure. Then after the procedure, wash the hand under the tap water. So you have to finish your procedure and again you can wash your hand. Then after the washing your hand, use the cotton swab motion with the spirit and wipe the outside of the used water. We can say that whatever the articles or equipment you can be used in your procedure, so you have to sterile them by using the spirit or sterilium. If the articles cannot be sterile by using the spirit or the sterilium, so those articles you have to put into the plastic bag and send to the nearer health unit like as the PSC and sub-center. Then wait for the 5 minutes. If the articles can be sterile by the spirit, then return the article to the community bag. Then after that, fold the used newspaper with used side inside and return to the outside pocket. So we can say that whatever the used side of the newspaper folded in a such a way that the used side of the newspaper can be come inside, and then again the return the newspaper to the outside pocket of the community bag. Then close the bag, carry the bag and write a report of what was observed, what was done and instruction given. Then your last not least step of the bag technique procedure is reporting. So whatever the procedure you can done, you have to report that, you have to mention in a report, and whatever the instruction can be given to the client also you have to return. So next we can move to the what are the nurse's responsibility in a bag technique. First one is the bag should contain all the necessary articles, supplies and equipment. So most nurses' roles and responsibility is that to contain all the necessary articles, equipment which are present in the bag. Then next one is the bag and its content should be clean. Third responsibility is that the bag and its content should be well protected. Whatever the articles or equipments you have to put into the bag, it should be well protected. For example, you have a test tube, so it should be protected well and covered in a newspaper, so it can be easily protected and prevent from the broken. So the bag and its content should be well protected. Next, the hand washing should be done frequently. Whenever you are doing the bag technique, in between the procedure you have to wash your hand frequently to prevent the contamination. And then the bag should be cleaned thoroughly before reusing. Whenever you use the bag again, so you have to clean the bag thoroughly. Then record the procedure after the performing. Whatever the procedure you can be performed, you have to record the whole procedure and mention in your report. Now it is all about the bag technique. Thank you.